So there are rights that you have as a consumer when using household goods movers in the state of Texas. But there's also responsibilities too. So part of that responsibility requires you to be as accurate and transparent about the needs of your move as possible, making sure that you tell the movers the accurate locations, going from, going to, the items that will be required to move, or any type of special handling or packing that's required. The more information you give and the more accurate you are, then you're able to be as stress-free as possible. I mean, I can't even emphasize it anymore, but that transparency is key. And it allows you to be able to effectively communicate, because part of your responsibility is also being present at the time of the move, or having somebody over the age of 18 available so they can effectively communicate what it is that you're needing and what your expectations are.